Near Corofin in County Clare stands O'Dea Castle. This 15th century tower house was built between 1470 and 1490 by Dermot O'Dea, Lord of Kinelfermac. You're greeted by green Burren fields all round. Though the surrounding strongholds are gone, this restored tower still echoes a time long past. Constructed for the Gaelic O'Dea clan, the castle has endured sieges, the Cromwellian destruction of its battlements and stairs in 1651, then lay in ruin until a full restoration in the late 1970s by a descendant of the O'Dea clan from, I believe, Wisconsin. Now let's jump inside. You'll pull up to the free parking area and enter the Archaeology Centre reception, where relics spanning millennia from local digs set the stage for your journey. The first thing you might spot is the O'Dea clan crest, then climb the tight spiral staircase built as a defence feature, winding so defenders would have the upper hand. The first room is the study, still showing its original whitewashed walls, just as they might have appeared back in the 15th century. Next is the sleeping chamber, small, narrow, lit by a long window that let in fresh air and light to early occupants. You then climb another flight of stairs into the dining room. You will be greeted by an open fireplace on the right hand side and a dining table in the centre. Above it all lies a gallery where voices would have echoed centuries ago. You can then re-enter into the spiral staircase. Here you can appreciate how tight it is, designed to slow down attackers going up through the tower. At the top, the restored rooftop gives sweeping views across Clare's countryside. It's easy to imagine the residents surveying their land all them centuries ago. Then we head back down the stairs, which is a bit nauseating in this video, but you end up in the reception area and there's many relics in the Clare Archaeology Centre that you can view and browse. I think you could spend around an hour here, and then there's other sites in the area that you can go to. Also, you can get married in this venue. If that's the case, reach out to us at Ladybird Ever After and we'll make them dreams come true. See you in the next video.